Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that if you learn the English language you would get the endless opportunities with the help of this language, because this language is considered the international language. It is the common language. If you don't know the language of other nationalities and other peoples don't know the language of your nationalities, then the only language which will make the bridge between two nationalities or different kind of nationalities is the English language. With the help of this language, I think that you can grow your talent on international level. If you have any kind of talent or you are running any kind of business, if you learn this language, you can grow your talent on international level. Such as if you are a vlogger, you are making some kind of vlogs in your national language, that vlog will be limited to your own area, your own country. But if you want to spread your talent of making videos on international level, then I think that English will help you a lot. And if you don't know the English language, then you will remain limited to your own area or country. So I think that learning English language will give you endless opportunities. So please learn this language if you have time or if you have the talent of international level. And if you are willing to improve this language, start now, right now. This is the time. And I think no matter what age you have, you can learn this language at any age. Most and important thing is that dedication, inspiration. When you will learn this language with more excitement, more dedication, then I think that things will become easy for you. Otherwise, if you are forcing yourself to learn this language, then it is very difficult for you. Interest is required, devotion is required. So learn this language if you are interested in. And when you would travel around the world, I think that this language will help you a lot, because when you are traveling, you will face with different kinds of people. Those are from different places, such as some may be from Asia, some may be Africa, some may be from America, from Britain, any part of the world. You come across with the people. So if you are willing to communicate some things with others, but you don't know the common language, that is the English language, then there you will face problems or some kind of despair, that if you know this language right now, you would be able to speak with other people. So in this way you will pass your time. Otherwise, if you are in a country where the first language is different from your first language, and you even don't know the English language, then you will feel lonely there, because you don't know the language and you are not able to communicate with others. So I think that this is very necessary to learn English language, as most of the countries are providing facilities to their citizens to improve and learn this language, because they know its importance of international level. So I think that this is good. And for learning English language, I think that you should watch movies in English language. In the beginning, I think you will face problems while understanding. And I suggest you that watch videos or movies or plays in English language of your native accent. When you would watch the movies or other things of different accents, then you will face a problem, because you are not able to understand the accent of other nationalities. First of all, get command on your own accent. When you think that right now you are able a little to understand your own accent, your own country speaker's accent, then you can go for other accents. You can start learning other accents. Otherwise, I think that accent does not matter. Main thing is that your English should be very precise, very correct, and in a proper way. Don't speak English in haste. Speak in fair way, that other would understand you easily. if you speak in hesitation and not in a good way, then others, those are from other countries, would face problem while understanding you. So I think that speak in a very good way, slowly, and don't try to speak fast if you are a beginner. Automatically you would become able to speak fast, but when you would try in the beginning to speak fast, then I think that this is not good and you will do the fumbling while speaking the language. So watch movies, and first of all watch your national language plays or movies with subtitles. When you will listen the dialogue in your own national language, then you would read the subtitle. In this way you would understand that the translation of this sentence is in this way, and this will help you in spoken English language. Sometimes when you read articles or newspaper, that English is a little different from the spoken English. For spoken English you would have to do some different kind of dialogues or sentences. So I think that it is necessary to watch your own country movies or plays with subtitles in English language. This will help you to improve your English language. Other things is that you can listen the songs in English language to make your ears able, habitual to listen English language. And in this way you would get the motivation to improve yourself, to learn more about English language. So I think that surround yourself in English environment. When you would surround yourself in English environment, then automatically English would come out from your mouth. So this is a good technique, and you should adopt if you are willing to improve English language. And other thing is that whatever you are reading, try to read all things in English language. If you are reading news, try to read those news in English language. First you can read those news in your local newspaper in your national language, then purchase another newspaper that is in English language, read the same news in English language. In this way, first of all, when you read in your national language, you would understand the depth of the news, that what is happened. When you would read the same news in English language, then you would understand that news properly, because you already know about the situation of that news. This is a good technique. First of all, read some main news, those are happening headlines in your national language, and then try to read those news in your English newspaper. So purchase the English newspaper, try to read the news there. This will help you to improve your English language. Sometimes you can speak the slang English. Whenever you are visiting with your friends, you can speak slang language, some slang kind of sentences with your friends and circle. But when you are in a good gathering where there the intellectuals are present, other peoples are present, then there you will have to speak in that way. I think that speak according to the situation. When you will surround yourself according to the situation, then this will be good impact on others. Otherwise, if you are trying to speak the language, slang language everywhere, that will not be good. The good thing is that according to the situation, adopt things according to the situation. Speak the language according to the situation where there you are. In this way, I think that you would improve English language. I am hopeful that you find these tips useful, and you would try to adopt these tips. In next video, I will talk about on some other tips. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.